All right, we're fixing to change the oil at our 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL Unlimited Sport. That's a mouthful. It's white too. To do this, the tools you will need are a 24 millimeter socket with a short extension and a ratchet or cheap breaker bar, whatever you got. That is what you'll need on the top side to take out the oil filter. Unscrew it. Underneath for the drain plug, you're going to need a little 13 millimeter socket and ratchet, and that'll help you pull the drain plug. Then just a regular funnel to help pour the 5 quarts of oil in. And then we have we're using Mobil 1 full synthetic oil, 0-20 weight, and the Mobil 1 oil filter that we got at O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Just because we thought we would try Mobil 1. All right, hope y'all enjoy the video. So this is the drain plug for the oil pan. It is a 13 millimeter, and we're gonna make sure you have a bucket to catch all the oil in it, because once we get that plug out, it is going to run fast stuff. This is really hot still. I should have let it cool off more, because it's gonna burn my fingers in a minute when I pull it off. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's good. All right, now that we've got the oil drained, we're going to pull the oil filter. And to do that, you need a 24 millimeter socket with a short extension. Put it right here on top of the filter and twist. And twist. Should have got my ratchet. There it is. All right. That trash can handy.
Jason, you want to get it?
It's right here. Ooh. Yeah. I just try not to drip this oil everywhere. I got it. There it is. It should come out here somehow.
Ew.
There it is. Ooh, it's still hot. I think we got money's worth out of that filter. You'll notice on the cap, you have a little O-ring that comes in with the oil filter. But there's this one here on the cap. I'll tell you something from experience. If you can look in here really closely, it looks like right here. You might think that's the groove, but it's not. It's the big fat one at the bottom. And let me tell you by experience, if you put it in that top groove, oil's going to blow out everywhere when you get to going down the road, because it won't be sealed up good. So make sure you roll it down. See, it looks like it fits right there, but it don't.
Well, you got it over top of the rack.
Oh, go all the way down.
All the way to
and
the
it's still
next
hot.
row.
I should have let it cool off a little bit more. That would probably be cut myself somehow. That would be the best way to do it. But anyway, get it all the way down to that bottom groove. Then,
I don't really think you went all the way to the bottom groove.
that's the bottom groove right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought it was the next one.
No, that's not. No, see, I was looking out here. See how that looks like a groove? But it's not. It's just bottom.
I think that's my phone.
Okay. Put the oil filter back. I'm sorry, y'all, if I sound disgusting trying to breathe. cold or something. Somebody just calling our phone. Hello?
This is not Jeremy. Because he's busy.
Now we're going to put the drain plug back in. We've got the filter changed and the oil drained. Use our
I don't see
13.
how you're even videoing that.
Our 13 millimeter ratchet. We get the oil out of the way. And snug that up. Alright.
Can you see yourself in the video?
No. And wipe it down so if it's, when you put the oil in, if you see oil beading up on it, you'll know there's a leak. You don't want anything puddling up on it. Alright. Now we are ready to put the oil in. Okay. Now we've got the oil plug in, we got the filter in. It's time to put the oil in. We're using Mobil 1, the 0 weight 20. I had never heard of this kind of oil until we bought this Jeep, so pay attention to that. Make sure you get the right kind of oil. Well, I will say this, last time I changed the oil, because this is our second time, I used 520 because I couldn't find the 020, and our gas mileage kind of went down to, what would you say, high 16s? So hopefully this will help out with that gas mileage problem. Kind of interested to find out. And we'll let you know. Casey, you want to take a peek underneath to see if there's anything dripping out of that plug? Shouldn't be.
There's not.
Yeah. We should be good. All right, there's 5 quarts. Mobil 1 full synthetic. Cause why not?
Where do we need to put this? Old dirty oil.
Oh no, hang on. We'll burn it. Set it on fire with the Christmas tree. Oil pressure go up? All right, we got the oil back in the Jeep. Everything's holding tight. We got 30 psi on our oil pressure. Nothing's dripping from the bottom or around the oil filter. So we should be good to go. Fixing to show you how to reset the oil life on the dash. You're going to press the start button with your foot off the brake. That is in HCC. You're going to press the start button again. It says run, but you have to press the brake for it to crank. You do not want it cranked to be able to reset it. Then you're going to go to the steering wheel, press the over arrow until you get to oil temp, oil pressure, oil life. And you're going to press OK and hold it. And when you let off, I've already done it, so it said 100% when we come to it, but that's how you reset it. Now it's 100% oil life, and that'll change your clock over. That's it.